Hey guys, it is October 26th and I am headed to the drop tine stand. I've been hunting this buck for a month and a half now, pretty heavily. This buck is just really smart. I'm tired today. This is the first day that I've been kind of like, do I want to go? A lot of times he will come in and he stands at the woodline and I cannot get a shot at him. I'm not gonna say it's hard because this is hunting, this is what it's about, you know, and this is what I love. I'm hoping to get the chance to have him come in. It's 61 degrees right now, it's cloudy, the sun is not out. I'm hoping that they're gonna move a little early tonight. Let's go ahead and get into the woods. I'm ready to go put my hands on this buck. Thank you.
You think it would happen?
No, I did not think it would happen.